Now, welcome to another beautiful and interesting day. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Who can tell me what's the weather like? Is it sunny or is it cloudy? Hmm, maybe it is a rainy day. Or is it a windy day? Or is it a foggy day? Let's see. Maybe you can help me to read the agenda for today. Today we are going to have at the beginning of the day math class. After math class, language. After language, snack. Remember that at this moment, we are going to wash our hands, go to the toilet, and be ready for the next period of classes. Which are the next classes? Drama. Then you are going to have a Spanish library. And after that, you will have your lunch. And at lunchtime, you will wash your hands, have a healthy meal, and enjoy the moment with daddy and mommy. And at the end of the day, you are going to have fine motor skills. Okay, people? See you. Bye.